To finish this part, we will create more wireframe and surfaces. Ensure your construction mode is set to 2D and change your construction depth to -1 inch. Left click on color and change your current color you're working with to blue number 9. Select the OK button. Choose the Create Line Endpoint command. Select this endpoint here. Sketch a line somewhere out here and change the line length to 1.75 with an angle of 292.5 degrees. Then select this endpoint and sketch a line to the right over here. Change the length to 0.45 inches at an angle of 345 degrees. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Xform Mirror. Select this line and press Enter. Then choose to copy and select the line. Choose this line as your mirror line. Select the OK button to exit the dialog box and click on Clear Colors. Choose the command Fillet Entities. Change the fillet radius to 0.0625. Then fillet this line to this line here. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Break Two Pieces. Choose this fillet and the midpoint of the fillet to break it in half. Select the OK button. Choose these entities and press Delete on your keyboard to delete them. Then change the current color that you're working with to color number 13. Select the command Create, Surface, and Draft. Chain this contour here and click on the OK button. Change your length to 0.75 with an angle of 10 degrees. The result should appear as shown here. Select the OK button to exit this dialog box. Choose the command Create, Curve, Curve at Intersection. Choose these two surfaces and press the Enter key. Then select this surface and press the Enter key. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then choose Create, Surface, Trim to Curves. Choose these two surfaces and press Enter. Then unshade the part and chain this contour. Select the OK button. Mastercam will prompt you to select the area to keep. Choose this area down here. Disable Split Model and select the OK button to exit this command. Choose the same command again, Trim Surfaces to Curves. Select this surface and press the Enter key. Chain this curve and choose the OK button. Indicate the area to keep on this side and select the OK button to exit the command. Change the view back to top. Then create a window around this geometry and choose the Xform Mirror command. Mirror this about the y-axis and choose to copy it. Select the OK button and return back to the isometric view. Click on Clear Colors. Rotate the part so we can see this side of the surfaces. Use the command Trim Surfaces to Curves again. Trim this surface and this surface to this curve. Choose the OK button and keep this side of the surface. Select the OK button to exit the command and return back to the isometric view. Choose Settings and select Configuration. Click on CAD Settings and ensure that Use X3 Fillet Surface Creation is selected and select the OK button. Change the current color that you're working with to 138. Then choose the command Create, Surface, Fillet to Surfaces. Choose these two surfaces and press the Enter key. Then select this surface and press the Enter key. Enable Trim and Automatic Preview. You may have to flip the surface normals, and in the options, enable Extend Surfaces. Choose the Apply button and repeat this process on the other side of the part. Select the OK button once complete. Go back into the command Create, Surface, Fillet to Surfaces. Select this surface and press Enter, then select this surface and press Enter. Ensure the fillet radius is set to 0.0625, enable Trim and Automatic Preview. Select the Apply button to stay within the command. Then, select this surface, press Enter, and repeat this process. Select the Apply button, then choose this surface, press Enter, and press Enter, and create the surface here. Choose the OK button once complete. Now we will create a 3-fillet blend. Choose Create, Surface, and choose 3-fillet blend. Choose this fillet, then this fillet, and blend them together. Choose the 3-sided fillet and enable Trim Surfaces. Select the Apply button and repeat this process over here. Choose the OK button once complete, then return back to the isometric view. Now we will revolve this geometry. Choose X-Form and Rotate. Quick mask on surfaces and press the Enter key. Choose to copy this 7 times with an angle of 45 degrees in between them. Select the OK button and then click on Clear Colors. The part should appear as shown. Now we will change and move some entities to a new level. Ensure that you're working in the 3D construction mode and change your Z construction depth to 0. Left-click on Level in the status bar. Change Level 1 to Wireframe Geometry. Then create a new level, number 2, and name it Toolpath Geometry. Select the OK button. Then, quick mask on all surfaces, right-click on Level 2, and choose to move all of the surfaces to Level 2. Left-click on Level, and make Level 1 invisible. Select the OK button. The final step is to save your file. Click on File and choose Save As. Navigate to a directory that you'd like to save your file and give it the name Your Name 5. Click on Save to save the file.